In the entire process of recycling plastics, label remover is a key program that determines the efficiency of recycling and the purity of raw materials. Our LMD series dry-type label remover machine is designed specifically for various types of waste plastic containers, such as PET bottles, HDPE bottles, PP bottles, etc. Its core mission is to achieve precise peeling of bottle bodies labels through waterless dry physical separation technology. The workflow is fully automated. The rotor inside the machine is equipped with a moving knife, and a fixed knife is also equipped on the inner wall of the machine. With an adjustable speed of 1500 to 2800 rpm per minute, the bottle is rubbed between the knives, instantly cutting the label, and then the lightweight label is accurately separated from the bottle body through the suction fan. The conventional label attachment rate is greater than or equal to 98%, and the PVC impurity content is controlled within 0.05%. In terms of processing efficiency, a single device covers the entire production capacity range of 500 to 5,000 kilograms per hour, fully meeting the continuous production needs of enterprises of different scales. Daily maintenance is also extremely convenient. The machine supports hydraulic opening, making it easy to clean, maintain, and replace blades. The core value of this dry label removal machine lies not only in efficient label removal, but also in empowering the entire recycling industry chain. The high-purity bottle body it outputs can be directly connected to the crushing, cleaning and granulation processes. If your production line is facing problems such as insufficient off-label rate, you may choose this dry-type label remover machine. We look forward to working together to create a green future.